All right, good morning, happy Friday. So today is April 26th. Let's jump into pretty much the pre-market prep for the day. How are we feeling? How's the mindset? So I woke up at 5:40 on Friday. I don't train jiu-jitsu, so I woke up a little bit later. I took advantage of the day. I've been actually looking forward for Friday to sleep in this entire week because I've been definitely feeling my body very fatigued the entire weekend today. Even though I rested really well, I feel really sore and my body feels really fatigued. But pretty much once I woke up, jumped into the cold shower, did my review from yesterday, meditated, gratitude, prayed, coffee, sound like audiobook. I'm feeling pretty sore, as I said, fatigued today. Slept around 9 hours. I went to sleep around 8:30. Had my alarm for 5 a.m., but decided to just sleep in today, and then woke up naturally at 5:40. A really good night's sleep, but definitely feeling pretty fatigued. Tire wise, I'm feeling like a 5, mainly because I'm how fatigued I'm feeling. A trend I've seen also that when I oversleep, in a sense, when I sleep over, I feel like my when I sleep 7.5 hours and I wake up naturally, I'm golden. I feel really good. When I oversleep, like last night, I slept 9 hours. I feel kind of like off. I feel fatigue. I feel mainly off, not always fatigue, but mainly off. But let's jump into pretty much the overall market. So looking at SPY. So SPY, we did have some news at 8:30, and we are very volatile in pre-market session. Currently trading around 507. So currently gapping above. So actually having a really nice gap up. So currently trading above pretty much previous day high. So actually, if we could actually push higher, we could potentially see a move. Nice. We do have market high at 509.2. Same thing with QQ, currently trading at a little bit lower. So currently trading at 428. So around this area. So again, if we could break previous 2 days ago high, looks pretty good for some nice continuation. So let's jump into pretty much the stocks I'm paying attention. So Nvidia is going to be, I think, my primary watch. I just like how we're holding, and we're holding right above yes 2 days ago high day. So if we could break this daily key level and 2 days ago high day, so around this area, I like from high to pre-market high. This pretty much after hour high, and then also potentially this daily key level. Looks pretty good. And if we could break that, we could see a nice push. I do want to mention that it wouldn't look bad if we actually pull back. So there's two scenarios. So currently, this candle is going to close more than likely like inside day. I can't foresee like a crazy push. But if you want to see a move lower, it wouldn't look bad if this candle closes like a doji. So we can actually pull back today, just based on the weekly, because today, I mean, this candle. But if we actually push, I mean, for a recovery purpose, it wouldn't look bad either. So let's see what happens. But as of right now, in pre-market session, we are showing some bullish price action. The over market is showing some bullish price action. So I'm actually liking it more to the long side. But I'm open-minded with Nvidia because it has been giving pretty much clean direction both places, both long and short. So I'm pretty much just open-minded with Nvidia. Google had earning, and we had an insane gap up. So just imagine. So look, like this candle is gonna be up here. So just look, it looks like a really outlier candle on the weekly. So that being said, I want to pay attention to price action. Let's see what it does, but it wouldn't look bad if we actually pull back and just close like a potential, have a nice doji on top. But that being said, we can actually just push because, I mean, after earning, we had an insane gap up. So, and also it could just be a choppy day. But let's see what the market presents. So with Google is just mainly because it's earning, we have news behind it, so we could have potentially good patterns. But I just want to let price action tell me a story. And same thing with Microsoft. Microsoft had earning. Just kind of want to let price action tell me a story. We are gapping up, so let's see what the market presents. But let's jump into a smaller time frame. So if we start off with Nvidia, so Nvidia, as I said, just mainly paying attention to what price action tells me. I personally like it above this daily key level, which is 841.65, and psychological level 843, because we actually have some resistance at around 843. If we could break those two levels and hold above, I like it for a move higher. If we push back and we see some clean price action to the downside, just paying attention to what price action tells me, I like it for a move lower. So it's just, again, when the video is mainly paying attention to what price action tells me. Looking at Google, kind of same scenario. We had earnings, so let's see what the market presents, but just letting price action tell me the story pretty much. And then Microsoft, very similar scenario. We have earning. Honestly, I'm not really loving much. I'm not really loving Google and Microsoft, but again, it had earnings, so I'm gonna let price action tell me the story. I do like Nvidia, but again, it all depends what price action tells me once we open. But yeah, I was actually I do want to mention because I was actually creating a game plan for Meta, but we actually sold off pretty nicely, and like I didn't like this pullback. And for Meta, what I liked was actually above yesterday high a day for maybe continuation. Why? Because we actually saw some nice strength yesterday, and we did have a nice gap lower, and I was just looking for potential like continuation of gap fill. And also I was paying attention to Tesla. Tesla might be on play. The only thing I'm not really loving it. For Tesla, same scenario. I like it above yesterday high day for confirmation for a nice continuation play. But we had a nice pullback, but the sponsors look bad. So Tesla might get back in my watch list, but let's see. But this one is just mainly if let's say Google, Microsoft, they're just shopping around, I might switch to Tesla and see what Tesla offers. But with Tesla, I only like it to the long side, and with this one I want to wait for a break and hold above yesterday high day for confirmation for a nice continuation, potentially to pre-market high. That's about it. But that being said, that's pretty much the game plan for April 26th. I will be trading for Tesla, Google, and Microsoft. It's opportunity percent self next week expiration. For Nvidia, just because the contracts are very expensive, I will be taking same week expiration, but with that one I'm just going to be sizing down because it's going to be very volatile, the contract. So that being said, let's have a great day today.